Got my engine running back there again. We are on our way out. We already called somebody, told them where to pick us up. Finally seen the squirrels, Dave. Yeah, let's see if we can get it. Well, one squirrel per day, I guess that's the limit, because that's what we saw. Last night we heard coyotes.
We heard coyotes.
I said we heard coyotes. More trash in the river. Looks like an inner tube right there. We seen a basketball right back down the river there. We had a good time though, I think we did. Did you, Stevie?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. It's too bad it's got to end though. But I think, yeah, I think we did pretty good. Pretty good. We heard a lot of fish flopping in the water, like big fish too, wasn't it, Stephen?
Yeah, they're doing belly flops.
Yeah, I think they was climbing trees and diving in the water. Yeah, that's what it was. These fish around here, they tree climbers. That's what they are.
Tell them why we ain't seen that many squirrels.
Huh?
Tell them why we ain't seen that many squirrels.
I don't know.
Too many people went squirrel fishing. And run them all off and ate them all.
Yep. I mean, people squirrel fishing. Yep. Sure is pretty up through here. I wish the camera would pick all that up. It don't look like it does, but we'll try it though. It's what? Let's see what time it is. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. 10:25 now. We're fixing to go over this log right here, Stephen, so it's probably gonna bump. Oh, we're stuck.
I got it.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm taking us back.
Yeah. All right. We're gonna have to go around that way. See where the log's not in the water.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Alright, you got it now, buddy. No. You taking it straight for the bank. Alright, now. I'll help you out a little bit, I guess. Good grief.
What?
I said, I guess I'll help you a little bit. More trash.
Yeah, I need some more gas.
Now you're heading straight for that bank. Alright, folks, I guess I'm gonna get off here so I can help him. My goodness. Might see y'all on the load up video. But I hear traffic. Alright, we're getting close. Alright, see y'all later.